Hey guys, welcome to Tech Radar, and I'm here at MWC 2018, and I'm here to talk about a phone which we wouldn't usually get that excited about. It's the Alcatel One X. So this is a budget device from Alcatel, not usually your headline grabbing device, but this is the first phone to be announced that runs Android Go software. So that's Google's new software, which is basically pared down compared to the normal version of Android and allows for more budget and more affordable phones to run that slightly bit faster. So it's running apps like YouTube Go, Maps Go, Gmail Go that are a little bit more basic but allow for more processing power and a load more memory in your phone. So this features a kind of mid-range MediaTek processor with 1 GB of RAM, which isn't a particularly powerful setup, but because it's running Android Go software, that will probably make it that little bit more powerful because all the apps are a little bit more pared down. Another standout feature of this phone is Alcatel have made their entire range this year 18:9 aspect ratio. So something we saw last year on the LG G6 and other devices is now on a budget device. This phone should cost, I think it's €90, so we're talking around £100. Inside the Alcatel One X is a 2640 milliamp battery. Now that doesn't look great on paper, but it is quite a basic device, so it's probably going to last you a full day, if not a little bit longer. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top of the phone, and on the rear is an 8 megapixel camera. Again, nothing to write home about, but it should get you the odd snap that you can send on social media, and there's also a 2 megapixel camera on the front. So why we're excited about this phone is it has the 18:9 aspect ratio display and Android Go. Everything else is kind of okay. For all of the rest of our content from MWC 2018, check out techradar.com.